Hello Team Labs! Kumusta kayo dyan? Sa video natin ngayon, yung promise namin, pakita namin yung mga footage, yung GoPro, itry namin. So ngayon, switch tayo sa GoPro. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so ngayon, GoPro na tayo. So yung settings yung ginamit ko dito is 4K, 30 frames, and yung color is standard. Yeah, what do you think? Okay, Team Labs, before we start, intro muna. Yan. So, okay guys, so ngayon pala may setup kami dito. Dyan si Celeste. Itong setup na to is gender reveal party. Ano kaya? Is it a girl or a boy? Aww. So, watch out. So mamaya, yung gender reveal party ay naka-Zoom meeting lang. So yes, stick around and watch the whole video. Baka may interested kayo or gusto nyo makita yung party. Then later, labas tayo. As promised, pakita namin yung footage ng GoPro sa labas. Stable ba siya guys? Stable. Okay, Team Labs, ngayon, try natin yung time-lapse ng GoPro. Ano lang siya, parang auto na time-lapse na naka 4K. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Team Labs, yun yung time-lapse. Anong sa tingin nyo? Comment below. So, nahulog pala yung boy. So, I think, sa ating sign na to na baby boy. What do you think?
Are you sure?
Okay, so ngayon, set up natin yung Zoom. Zoom setup. Nandito na yung camera. Kulang na mga laptop. Siguro, lagyan ko ng ilaw para at least maganda yung ilaw. Okay? Time-lapse starts now again. Okay, Team Labs, I'm not sure kung madilim ba siya. Pero, ewan ko, naka-auto lang kasi itong GoPro na to eh. Hindi ko pa siya na-explore yung settings to manual. But, so far, auto lang siya, 4K, 30 frames. Anyway, Team Labs, ito, may lights na tayo. Then, yun, may camera. Camera isa. Okay, so set up ko muna yung laptop. I hope na napansin nyo, maganda ba yung quality ng GoPro? Let me know what you think. Comment below. Okay, Team Labs, so malapit na tayo matapos yung setup at we still have another 40 minutes to prepare. But for now, ipakita ko yung setup namin. So, yun, nilagyan ko siya ng mic. This isang mic lang. Then, ano naman eh, nakaupo lang kami dito eh. So, then, nakaupo kami. Then, itong mic na to, sa aming dalawa na. Pero, lagyan ko ng backup na isang, yung wireless, ilagay namin dito. At saka kay Celeste. Just in case lang. Para may backup. Alam mo naman, mangyari to once, then you should capture it. Okay, Team Labs, na-set up na namin.
Ready na kami.
Ready na. Ready na yung
We have one.
prize. And ready na yung mga cameras natin. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, then isang lights, then mic, laptop. Ikaw, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so Team Labs, i-reveal namin yung gender as soon as possible.
Finally revealed. Are you ready? Are you ready to cheer for your team? Ready? Okay. We will mag-attendance we
First
will
attendance
call
muna.
everyone so that we can kanang akong i-text akong ikuan mo.
Hey, natagak si Team
Natagak
Girl.
si Team Girl. Ano ba to? Is it a sign?
Team Girl na day.
Is it a
Team
sign?
Girls.
Thank you for joining our gender reveal party. Ready na ba kayo? Ang
Ready,
manalo na
ready.
$100? Ng 1 million pesos? Ready na kayo?
Oh, baka dagdagan to.
1 million pesos. First of all, welcome to our gender reveal party. We are so excited to finally reveal baby Labata's gender. Are you ready? Are you ready to cheer for your team? Ready? Okay.
Okay, Team Labs, natapos na namin yung gender reveal. Oh, tingnan nyo. Malinis na. So, i-reveal namin yung gender soon. Para at least maganda yung pagka-edit. Hindi siya parang na-reveal lang. So, yun. Gagawa kami ng ibang video niyan. Sorry na ma-reveal namin siya soon. But, as promised, test namin yung GoPro sa labas.
Let's go.
Punta tayo sa park. Okay. Okay, so Team Labs, papunta kami sa Bicentennial Park na nakapunta na kami before sa previous video namin, which is itong video na to. So yun, i-check nyo yung video kung gusto nyo makita yung video namin before na napupuntahan natin na park. Okay, so see you at the park. Okay, Team Labs, nandito na kami sa labas ng kotse. Okay, Team Labs, yung settings yung ginamit natin dito sa GoPro is naka 4K na 60 frames. May settings kasi doon pag 4K 30, hindi siya masyadong wide. Pero if 4K 60, may super wide siya. So, ginamit namin yung 4K 60 para super wide, para wide talaga yung view. So, see? Whoa! Celeste. Okay, Team Labs. Ngayon, try natin yung super smooth kasi may option dito na smooth, then mid smooth, then super smooth. So ngayon, test natin yung super smooth. Okay? So ito yung settings niya. Tingnan niyo. Yan, naka-off siya, di ba? The next is up. So yan yung standard smooth. Then next up, ito yung boost, parang super smooth. Okay, Team Labs, ngayon try natin yung naka-off yung smooth. Then next is yung standard na smooth. Then next is super smooth. Okay? So test natin na off yung smooth. Okay? Okay, ngayon Team Labs, itry natin yung standard na smooth para makita nyo yung difference kanina na walang smooth. Okay? So, standard mode on. Okay, so Team Lab, yun yung standard na smooth. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Then next, try natin yung boost na smooth. Okay? And 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, Team Lab. Yan yung boost na smooth. Let me know what you think. Please comment below. If may difference ba siya or wala. Maganda ba? Or pangit? Ewan. So, yeah. Let me know. Comment below. By the way, Team Labs, yung ginamit ko na settings ngayon rin is boost smooth. So, para at least, ewan ko, baka makatulong siya sa smoothness ng naglalakad lang kami, naka-handheld kasi wala kaming gimbal, handheld lang to. So yun, ang ganda Team Labs, oh. Okay, so yun Team Labs, I hope na nakita nyo yung capabilities itong GoPro na to, GoPro 10, yung smoothness, quality, audio, pakinggan nyo. Then, what do you think?
What do you think?
Yes, comment below.
Okay ba?
And if you like our video, please give it a thumbs up. And then,
Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And click the notification bell so that you get notified for new uploads. We'll see you on the next one.
bye! Thank you sa mga nag-support. Thank you. Bye!
Okay, let's count down. 10.
Lain mo din siyang feeling, no?
Okay, kikulbaan na naman. Okay, mag-count down na excited. 10, 9, 8,